Hello guys, so here we will make a conversation video. Let's go.
Hello, my name is Rizky. What's your name?
My name is Johan Melaksana.
What can I call you?
You can call me Wayan.
How old are you?
I'm 18 years old.
Where you from?
I'm from Masarang Philippines.
What's your hobby?
My hobby is playing volleyball.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Hello Rizky,
Hi,
how are you?
I'm good.
How old are you?
I'm 20 years old.
Where are you from?
I'm from Tubaru.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is meatball.
What's your dream?
My dream is ME.
What's your favorite drinks?
My favorite drink is matcha.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Thank you.
Guys. Jangan lupa subscribe.